Hello, NeXT community. I thought I'd show you guys the gold cube. So this is actually the original footprint size of the NeXT. I didn't think it was going to be able to work without supports, and I should have trusted my gut. So what happened up here, I was amazed that it was able to bridge this gap, but normally you put supports in here, and I should have just done it. But I was amazed to see how it was bridging all the way across. And all it took was one misstep, and then it started to spaghetti out. But overall, I think I'm going to be in business. The other thing I might try is with dual extruders. If I do it, I think the build plate's large enough to where if I do it this way, we should be good. And then I've got a flat plate coming in that's not textured. So I think that'll make all the difference in the world. So now what I'm going to try and do is combine filaments. Because I've got an external AMS, and I'm building a... so there's going to be a bracket, so it'll support dual... 4-spool adapters. And so I think I'm also going to be able to make NeXT logos for cubes as well. Stay tuned, more fun stuff to come from the black hole.